about 70%, moving from at 20% in 2013 to an excess of about 75% today. So in a developing country perspective, like I said, there'll be a range depending on where you've applied for service. If you are in a Cosmo, you can get almost same-day service. If you are in a very remote area, we need to build the infrastructure. And therefore, that will take time. Okay. But certainly, it can range from 1 day to really depending on unavailability of infrastructure. But the last mile, for example, is a very great infrastructure development by government that seeks to, under SDG 7, give everybody or connect everybody to clean energy. And therefore, as we build infrastructure to reach the remote areas of the country, it then becomes easier when you're a secondary applicant, when infrastructure has reached your village, that you can actually get service on the same day after fulfillment of the